All right, so I'm going to give you guys a marketing tip for Facebook when you are sending out friend requests as well as sending out messages to people. So if you want to find out the people that you've sent friend requests to, there's a way that Facebook tracks that information. And what you have to do is you have to go to your Facebook page. So you want to go to your profile. So you simply just click on your name. You're going to click the three dots right here. I'm doing this on a computer, by the way. And then what you want to do is go to Activity Log and click Activity Log. And you want to click on Connections. And you're going to choose Friends from this list. And then from here, it gives you the option to view your friends, look at the friends you've deleted, or look at people who you received friend requests from, as well as sent friend requests, which is where you want to click on. It also gives you the option to look at the friends that you've blocked or people that you've blocked on Facebook. So you simply click on Sent Friend Requests. And then it is time stamped of when you sent people friend requests, the day and the time that you sent out friend requests. And from this point, all you have to do is open up the person's profile and then send them a message. And if you are a part of our team, then you get access to our easy and simple copy and paste script that we send out to people. It consists of 4 to 5 questions when you are doing outreach, when you're prospecting and recruiting people. All you have to do is just open this up and send the person a message, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Hopefully you got some value out of this. Hopefully you learned something new and you can implement this in your marketing efforts. You guys take care and have a great day.